is we are going to start working in you'll take the task sheet. I have just created, you are in groups, everyone knows what the name of the group is. If you don't know, you forget, you'll just go to your today's channel and then check your group name. Once you are done from here, your task sheet is available in general. You'll go to your Padlet wall. Mitra, can you please put yourself on mute, darling? Your mic is on. I can hear myself talking. Thank you. Okay, when you open your Padlet wall, you'll see different task sheets available, okay, according to your group now. Now, one is Pascaline, one is Charles Babbage, another one is the Abacus. Now, whichever group you belongs to, you'll just open that. Suppose this is mine, okay, this is, I belong to Pascaline. Just I'll open this and I'll see what it says. Okay, it says like it will give me the instruction. As it is a task sheet, it gives you instruction what exactly you need to do. So all those points or all those tasks should be done in your multimedia program. Clear? Any confusion? Yes, class, you can unmute yourself and say something. Is it clear?
Yes,
Well,
miss. Are we doing
Miss,
like
doing the
as
Pascaline sheet and it's saying an error occurred while downloading the document. Try
you just need
reloading
to
the
press,
page.
just don't download the sheet now. You just don't need to download the sheet now. Just wait for some time. So at least first see what exactly you need to do. It's a PDF file. When you click on the browser, the same thing happened with me even. So just when I open it, it opens like that. Okay.
Miss, I have two doubts. First, are we gonna like, for example, if somebody's in Pascaline, like, will they do it with their group or are they doing it like individually?
It's an individual task sheet, darling. See, the
Oh,
problem is a computer is a skill-based subject. Can't ask you until or unless you work by yourself, you can't learn the skill. So sometime I will give you some of the instruction to do it in group, but just remember which group you are in. Right now, the task sheet is given over there, so you need to
okay,
remember your
Miss.
task sheet only.
My second question is, what multimedia program can like do we use? Can it be any?
Sorry.
Like, can we use any multimedia program or does it have to be
No,
like
no, no.
PowerPoint?
Hawaii multimedia program. It's a written Powtoon. Just focus on the sheet rather than asking. Everything is written on that. We are working on
Miss,
Powtoon
where's the
only.
sheet, miss? Where's
Focus
the
on
sheet?
screen right now. Focus on screen right now. You'll
Okay, miss, I
will
found
tell
it.
you what exactly will do it. Now, please don't look at the task sheet first. See what we are going to do is we started Powtoon. In the previous class, what we are going to learn is like basically you need to add some information about input and output devices. Okay, computers connected with the input and output devices are there. Okay, what we are going to do is um, first thing we already everyone already have their account on Powtoon. So what we are going to do is we'll open the same account and this time we are going to create our own from scratch. Earlier we've been using templates. Now this time we are not going to use templates. Mitra, your mic is on, darling. This is your Powtoon account and these are the previous Powtoons which you've been working on. This is your main screen and these are the templates. Last time we worked with, for few classes, been working with the templates. Now this time we are going to start creating our own. So you'll click on create. Few options will come on screen. Okay, the first option is about like if you have done Prezi or something where your audios, video and audio will come together when you are presenting. If you want to create that, horizontal and square, and the description explains which landscape will be presentable for which application. So we are using for the web. So I'll take the horizontal. It's same like PowerPoint, and you are familiar with the Powtoon now. Now they will ask you which characters, which kind of thing you want to make. Is it like a whiteboard kind of stuff? You'll get some ideas by looking there, which kind, what material you'll get. Okay, suppose I'll take whiteboard only. The cartoon characters even available, and just go through many templates are there. I'll go for whiteboard. Now, once I click on whiteboard, you'll see on your right screen, right side, different panels are appearing now. In the template, these panels wasn't there. Now you will see the text is there. You can see the characters, even you can break as many. Do remember, you'll take the free version only. Anything with pro, don't take those characters. Okay, only free versions you can. Props also available. Different props are there, shapes, even images, video, even you want to add, or music. Everything is available when you click on create. I'll start with the start and say I need a title something. So I'll click on the title, and anything which goes, I'll take this one. Now when it appears here, I'll just write down the text I've been writing. I'll just say it, part of computer. Right. Okay. Okay, now I can drag it up. I can use the same features are used. How to use, how to write the text, how to swap the text, and anything with the props. Even you can do that. Now, this time you'll see different the timeline even given here. Now I want this text to appear some. I want to give some animation. So what I'll do, I'll select the text, the when four-sided arrow comes, right mouse button, text effect. I want this text to appear someone is writing like this. So I'll play this, I'll select this, and I'll say okay. And now see how it will appear. Okay, now if you see, it's taking too much of time here. See, it takes too much of time. So what you can do, you can reduce the time slot. You can see it's 10 minutes. When play again and see how it is, and see where is the timeline. It's getting over after 5 seconds only, so no need to go there. So do one thing, minimize this, make it for one slide till 4, 5 is enough. See the timeline, minus, plus, anytime you want to reduce or make it bigger, you can do it. So it's perfect. Now I need a next slide. Click on this. The questions are asked in the task sheet to add your input devices and output devices. So in the next slide, I will click on images. I'll search for input, or do one thing, Google and find out what is input devices are. Or I have shared one presentation where it explains what are the input and output devices are. Anything which is connected with the computer, it's your input devices. Anything which is giving out the data is your output devices. Or you just write down input devices, you'll get all those images and you'll get the idea what are the input devices and output devices are. So you can see mouse is there, keyboard is there. So you'll just write down keyboard on my mouse, and then you'll get different images here. So any image you want, don't take pro. As I'm telling you again, don't go for pro. I'll take this keyboard picture. It'll appear here. You want it's too big. You can crop this image by using small and then done. Where you ever you want, use it, bring it. Now one more thing what you're going to do is you want the transition, like you want how the next slide will appear. Below you'll see the transition is available. You'll get different transitions, stylish, pull down is there, hand is there, clipboard is there, whichever you want. Roll on, I'll take roll on. We'll see how it looks like. So you'll start from here, from the first slide, play how it will be, and swap and the other one. Okay, so today focus on bringing the images and then using effects on the images or your text by clicking, right clicking, and using the effects and using the transition. Focus on these three things today: transition, bringing your images, and giving the effect of your text or images. Okay, is it clear? Any confusion? Okay, start working then.